Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to import tags onto existing records in Copper CRM. All right, as you can see here, I have these contacts, okay, and I have these tags right here, which is a sample tag 2026. Now, I've made a copy of this specific CSV, and the tags from there is a sample tag 2025. Okay, let's go ahead and go to our workspace settings in here. Now, manage your data, import data. And then, as you have noticed, we are using the people records, okay? I'm going to go ahead and click on import people, maybe a CSV, choose a file, then this one, okay? I'm going to hit on open, wait for it. And as you can see here, we have a ton of options in this tab. Now, I'm just going to fix this little issue right here, okay? I'm going to update the value like so. Now, if you want to append tags or select this option, well, for example, as I've told you earlier, I have set the tags for my current record as sample tag 2026, okay? And my data, which I'm trying to import, says 2025. Now, if you try to append, it will display both sample tag 2025 and 2026. Now, if you just want to overwrite, okay, make sure that this one is not selected or not checked. So untick it and then just go ahead and move. As you can see, we now have the tag section in here. Okay, and here, as you can see under tags, it got the red. It means you need to select a field. Okay, go ahead and select tag like so. And then once done, untick this append tags. Now go ahead and click on manage matching records. Select the field. Let's just go ahead and select email right here and make sure that it is set to overwrite. Okay. And once that's done, I'm just going to go ahead and ignore these errors. Okay, just for you to see our main topic right here. I'm going to go ahead and click on continue import. It says here, you have chosen to overwrite matching records. This action cannot be reverted. Now it says here to confirm that you understand exactly above, type import. Go ahead and type down import. I understand submit. So just basically wait for it. Okay, as it says here in progress. And when we go ahead and check our notification in here, we should receive notification that says your people import has been completed. Okay, you'll be receiving an email as well that the importing process is done. So just wait for it, or you can just go ahead and click on the record. And then in here, let's just go ahead and check if it's set to 2025 now. Okay, as you can see, now says sample tag 2025. Okay, and there you have it. That is how you import tags onto existing records in Copper CRM. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.